Anyway, this is what this is to me. Slide in my pocket full of razor blades and pulled out a tambourine. I started stomping out a rhythm, everybody keeping time with me. I just got so fed up singing the same old words to the same old song. Ain't get no rest tonight, not this time. Set 'em up, I'm out, I'm gone. Say the world's a messed up place, that's quite alright by me. 'Cause last night I won the human race, so I ain't got time to dream, yeah. So I'll sleep tomorrow and I'll lay down, yeah, when I'm dead. Say I'll sleep tomorrow, 'cause I ain't done living yet. Don't hold back, but I don't attack, and I like to keep it in the groove. We're gonna do life right, I won't do it at all. They're talking while we're making moves. Now life ought to be about company and less about what you've got. So this the longest song, so sing along, yeah. The focus ain't on the plot now. By now you know this is how it goes. When we give in is when we start. I said mercy talk is getting old, we're too busy giving heart, yeah. So I'll sleep tomorrow and I'll lay down, yeah, yeah, when I'm dead. So I'll sleep tomorrow, 'cause I ain't done, no, my foot is tapping, fingers snapping, hands are clapping so hard in here, the crowd swaying, preacher praying,